Hi, hello everyone. My last video, which happened earlier, that was in Hindi, demonstrating FSH kit. So, how we have run the FSH test here, follicle stimulating hormone, and it is exactly as pregnancy kit and how you run the pregnancy test, and ovulation test. So it is one and the same. In my last video, the video was in Hindi. Now, to make you guys understand who doesn't have knowledge of Hindi or doesn't understand Hindi, uh, let's go with English. So here it's very simple. So this was the test which we have done earlier, and right now I have FSH kit, MI Pink FSH kit, manufactured by Microsidd, and the MRP is 1,500 rupees, and it will be carrying 5 kits, 5 test cassettes. Let me show you again because I have already opened. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 5 cassettes are there in this package. The MRP is 1,500 rupees, but let's not go behind the MRP because a lot of discounts are happening, and on you can order online to get massive discount and good offers. So let's start, and how we have to start is, let's take a foil. Before taking the foil, you have to understand that the timing of testing FSH and ovulation is in between morning 12 o'clock 12 o'clock till 4 p.m. So this is the time when the hormones are highly active in the body. So if you just do like pregnancy test in a first urine or something, no, you shouldn't do that. It doesn't require first urine in the morning because that will not be having a proper hormonal um, quality. So right now we have to do a test between 12 and 4. That is the clear timing, the perfect timing, right? So right now I have the foil of FSH. Here it has been written. Our all the kits will be having the name behind the foil, and this is the lot number. Means a lot number is nothing but a batch number. Manufacturing, MFG is equal to manufacturing. So that is November 2024, and EXP means it is expiry date. Expiry date is October 2026. So this can be stored in the normal room temperature. This kit doesn't require any refrigerator, and it will be good if you test multiple times, like test it today, after 2 days, after 4 days, after 6 days, because hormones are again um, fluctuating. Sometimes you may have a low surge of hormones, and sometimes you will be having a high surge of hormones. So if sometimes it comes negative and sometimes it may come positive because of the hormonal changes in the body. So it is again preferred for the woman uh, who are not getting pregnant. First you have to test with this, then you go for ovulation test. So that will be the better idea. And the women who are above 40, so who are reaching their menopause time age, they can when your menstrual cycle is here and there, it is not matching with the time um, as per analysis, then you can go with this. So you can uh, detect it early, and whatever the medications if you require, you can consult your doctor and get the medications, right? So here what we have in this kit. So after opening the foil, I got FSH cassette. It has been written, uh, and then a silica gel is not required for the test, but why it is being packed is to absorb the any moisture in the package, around the package, because all temperatures will be different at different places and different areas, and in the different season. It may be rainy season, so moisture can be absorbed by the membrane. So uh, we have packed silicone. Do not eat this. You may find this in any of electronic devices also, right? So what we have to do, this is the urine sample. This should be a fresh in between 12 o'clock to 4 o'clock. Okay, this is the pipette. And how and what you have to do, press the pipette, it will suck the entire sample, it will be full, right? And here is the sample well, this is the test line, and this is the air cap. So what you have to do is drop 4 drops. 4 drops you have to put, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Enough. 4 samples is a proper uh, sample quantity. So yeah, it will give the test result in with a immediate effect, and it is very fast. Accuracy is 99.8%, and the speed is max to max 5 minutes. So here we go. So this was the earlier cassette which we did the video in Hindi, and right now the sample has run properly. So what we can see, a small band, yeah, the band has appeared. This is C. Yeah, in the embossing on the cassette, that has been written, this is the control side, this is the test line. So whatever comes this side near the C, that will be a control line, which will be resonating that the control has run properly and the test has run properly, and it is also negative. When there is another line towards the T, so that will be showing up the positive. So this sample is showing one single line, both are showing one single line. So this test is negative. So these guys can this sample, whoever the sample, they can go for the ovulation test, so they can get the accurate result from the ovulation, and they can try, right? So this is very simple. And with this test, in the description of this video, I have shared again ovulation test, how to run the ovulation test, how to run Pregakit. So in our channel, everything is available, like how you do, how to run the tests of several diseases or several viruses or several hormones. And again, we have cholesterol, HP, hemoglobin, we have dengue, we have malaria, we have HIV, HBsAg, HCV, we have troponin, we have FSH, we have Pregakit. So many kits are there, because we are totally into diagnostics, and we have made diagnosis simplified. So this is all for today, and if you'll kindly subscribe the channel, so that you will find more videos on daily testings, and please share with needy people, so some they will be happy to see this. Okay, so thank you very much.